Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to share how you can create this ponytail. So starting with sectioning my hair into three parts. You don't need to be specific, but make sure the back section has the maximum amount of hair. And now I'm going to gather all my hair and making a ponytail. First I'm pull some hair from the crown section to make it more voluminous, and I'm going to make a ponytail with my regular rubber band. Pulling some hair from your crown section makes the ponytail looks more voluminous. And now I'm going to take some hair and start making a regular three-strand braid. Pull your hair strands for more volume. And now I'm going to secure this braid with my regular rubber band. Now for this front section, I'm again sectioning my hair, and I'm going to take two equal parts of the hair, and I'm going to twisting this hair strand with each other and pull some hair from the front section to make it more voluminous, and again I'm going to twisting my hair and I'm going to secure this hair strands with a regular rubber band again. And I'm going to fix this with a bobby pin under the ponytail, and I'm gonna hide it like this. And again I'm sectioning my hair with some parts, and now for the middle section I'm again gonna twist my hair. Now this is very difficult to describe. You can see what I have done. Now for this part again I'm braiding, and I'm making a normal regular three-strand braid. And now again I'm going to fix this with my regular rubber band. Now I'm going to twist these hair strands with each other, and rolling it over the ponytail like this. And I'm going to fix all the hair strands and the braid underneath the ponytail. And here I'm pulling my front section's hair for some volume. And now I'm going to fix all my baby hair with this hairspray. And that's it, that's the complete look. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such videos.